A very good evening to one and all present here. Hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Manvi Sureka, welcome you to our webinar on Volatility Index. So, our guest speakers for the day are Mr. Vaibhav Bharge, who is a trainer at Derivative Trading Academy, and Mr. Dhananjay Patel, who is the partnership manager at Alcoboods. Before I request Mr. Vaibhav to take over, one note for our clients that if you have any query or feedback, kindly message it to us in the Q&A section and all your questions will be answered towards the end of the webinar. So, without delay, I now request Mr. Vaibhav to take the session further, and one request from our clients for you to conduct the webinar in Hindi and English, both the languages. So Vaibhav, the platform is yours now.
Hello everyone, good evening. All of you, welcome to Alcoboods, welcome to Advice. This is Vaibhav Bharge from Derivative Trading Academy. Today I will guide you how to work with volatility market. So before moving ahead, let me introduce about myself. So I am a chief strategist working as a trainer and trader with Derivative Trading Academy. I am in the market from last 10 years, 8 years in the option trading. So in this my 8-year career, option trading career, I have developed some strategies. And with help of Alcoboods, I have placed that strategy on the marketplace. So how you can work with market condition, that is what I'm going to explain today. So now, those who are aware about Algo Trader, please tell me what is meaning of algorithm. Can anyone guess in the chat box? Okay, let me explain. I think chat box is closed. It's fine. So algo trading means what? Machine will do trading for you. So before starting the session, आप सभी ने आई थिंक रोबोट मूवी देखा होगा, यस और नो? क्या आपने रोबोट मूवी देखा है? सो देयर वाज अ टू रोबोट, फर्स्ट हाफ डिफरेंट रोबोट, सेकेंड हाफ डिफरेंट रोबोट. सो देयर वाज वन डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू रोबोट. So this robot is from first half and this robot is from second half. So what was the difference? Both are same, but there was one difference. That is called emotion. Rajnikant add some emotion in this robot and then this robot become a devil. So before adding emotion, first robot was doing very good job. Everything was fantastic. Everything as per the condition. But as he add emotion in that robot, everything is changed. Robot become devil and everyone knows what happened in the movie. So now tell me, as a trader, what is your biggest enemy? So yes, first enemy is emotion. How to control emotion? So that is the reason, if you haven't watched this movie, go and watch the movie. Believe me, you will enjoy the movie. But what you will learn from that movie? Never ever trade with emotion. Trade as per condition. So that is what you will learn in this webinar. So those who are doing trading from last 1 year or more than 1 year, the biggest problem number one, sir, मैं जॉब करता हूं, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए. आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम 9 to 6, आई डोंट हैव टाइम. So that is first problem. Second problem, so those who are doing trading, उनको पता ही नहीं कि एंट्री कब लेना है, कब एग्जिट लेना है. And most important, lots of traders think that right entry is important, but remember trader, right exit also very very important as right entry. जितना आपका right entry important है, उतना ही आपका right exit important है. अगर आपने right entry लिया, बट आपने राइट एग्जिट नहीं किया, then again you will end up in loss. Then again same story. So right exit also important. Next, stop loss management. Lots of trader don't know how to manage stop loss, how to work with risk and reward. They don't know about this method. Then those who are option trader, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हाउ टू सिलेक्ट स्ट्राइक प्राइस, आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग स्ट्राइक प्राइस, how to control time decay. So that are the biggest problem at trading. Next, volatility risk. So today I will guide. This is very important point. As an option buyer and as an option seller, volatility is very important. Or if you ask me, it is 5-star important. I always give 5-star to volatility. So volatility is very important. So that is what we are going to learn in this webinar. Then option Greek, how to control Greeks, for example, delta, gamma, vega, theta. So these are all the Greek terms. So how to control that? That is another challenge. How to generate consistent income? That is another problem. And last, how to control patience, emotion, discipline. So that is very important, and that is what we are going to learn. So today I will solve all the problem. So if you are working professional, if you are trader, if you are fresher, doesn't matter, मैं आज आप सभी के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाला हूं. So sit, be relaxed and attend this session till the end. Okay, so now let me explain about my algo strategy. So I have two algo strategy. One is selling option strategy and one is buying option strategy. And both are totally depend on volatility. It is totally depend on mathematics. There is no prediction at all. There is no gambling at all. ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ पे बाय करना है, वहां पे सेल करना है. No. It is totally based on implied volatility. Okay. Now, those who are doing trading from last 5 years or more than 5 years, I have one question for you. How do you trade in the market? As per your condition or as per market condition? Think and reply. Just think how to work in the market, as per your condition or as per market condition. अगर आपको इसका आंसर समझ में आया, then definitely you will earn the money. Always remember, market is not same every day. Sometime market is bullish, sometime market is bearish, sometime market is volatile, sometime market is high volatile. तो कैसे काम करना चाहिए आप सोचो. Yes, we have to work as per market condition. So that's how this strategy design. For example, if market is less volatile, algo will deploy this strategy. If market is high volatile, algo will deploy this strategy. So we have given some kind of condition. So algo will check all the parameter, all the condition, and it will deploy our trade. So that is the beauty of algo trading. Then, of course, lots of students thinking, sir, selling option strategy, don't you think risk is unlimited? अभी बहुत सारे ट्रेडर सोचते होंगे कि ऑप्शन सेलिंग मतलब बहुत डेंजर काम, राइट? बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. विथ हेल्प ऑफ अल्गो we have applied stop loss, trailing stop loss, so don't worry. Entire day risk is covered. Risk is managed properly with help of algo strategy, and that is the best part of algo. So risk and reward also fixed in this strategy. So no need to worry about your target, your stop loss. Strike price selection also covered in this strategy. So algo will check all the condition. Algo will check future price. Algo will check spot price, and it will select strike price as per market condition. So I repeat, we have to work as per market condition, and that is what algo is doing for us. So those who are worried about time decay, so don't worry about time decay. Everything is under control. So now, before moving next topic, let me explain what is volatility. What is implied volatility? So implied volatility measure the fear of the market. Imagine if fear is very high, what will happen to volatility? अभी आपने नोटिस किया होगा, रशिया यूक्रेन का वॉर चालू था. At that time, market implied volatility was very, very high because fear was very high at that time. And last year, if you notice, market was very less volatile because everyone was vaccinated. Coronavirus fear was not there. So that's why last year market was less volatile. So now, because of volatility, we will get two type of condition. One, high volatile market, and second, less volatile market. So let's understand how volatility works in the market. This is just example. Imagine there are two persons. So let's say this is 35-year-old person and this is 55-year-old person. Now both of them want to buy life insurance. So which one will get expensive? 35-year-old person or 55-year-old person? Yes, those who are thinking 55-year-old has to pay high premium. Why? Where is risk is very high? Where is fear? So here risk is very high, fear is very high. So that's why volatility is very high here. Now imagine just now Russia-Ukraine war started. So market become volatile. Why? Because fear is there, risk is there. So same volatility also work same way. Now you might thinking कि यहाँ पे ज्यादा प्रीमियम क्यों देना पड़ता है, रिस्क तो ज्यादा है. But remember, insurance company is a seller here. Insurance company is premium life insurance premium seller here. So they sell same premium. Let's say here they sell at 10,000 and here they are selling at 50,000. So why so much difference? So who is demanding high premium? Option buyer or option seller? Remember, option buyer never demand high premium. The option seller always demand high premium because they have high risk. So if risk is high, they have to pay more risk. So that is the reason they always ask high premium. And that's what happened in this Russia-Ukraine war. So this is what volatility. I hope everyone understood how volatility works in the market. Now let's move to the trading part. So this is my buy algo strategy payoff chart. So when it will deploy, I will come on that point later on. First, understand what is buy algo strategy and how it works in the market. So buy algo strategy means combination of call as well as put. Both are buying. So this is the payoff chart. So above zero, profit is there. Below zero, loss is there. So now look at this carefully. Now, whenever we take entry, at that time, market volatility is like this. So this is current market volatility. So now we are getting loss here because market volatility is not increasing, not decreasing. Or let's say we are getting no profit, no loss. Now, see how premium is changing and your payoff scenario is changing if implied volatility is increasing. So let me increase the implied volatility. So now, as soon as implied volatility increase, your payoff also from loss, it went in profit. So this is how option premium work. So before increasing volatility, Algo will deploy our strategy. मार्केट हाई वोलाटाइल होने से पहले ही ये स्ट्रेटेजी डिप्लॉय कर देगा. So as soon as market become high volatile, probability of profit is very, very high. So this is just mathematics. Okay, this is just simple mathematics. So note down, if you have pen and paper, just note down or write down. Whenever market implied volatility increase, your option premium also increase. Just now explain why. Because seller have huge risk and he is demanding, he is selling premium on high side, high level. So that is why premium increase. And to deploy this strategy in live market, you just required 35,000 rupees or less than 35,000 rupees margin. Now let's understand how it works in the market. So buy option strategy, it is high volatile strategy. It will deploy when market implied volatility increase. So whenever IV, that is implied volatility increase, your Greek option Vega. Vega stands for again volatility, that also increase. So this is pure mathematics. अगर वेगा बढ़ा तो आपका ऑप्शन प्रीमियम भी बढ़ेगा. And remember, whenever market is high volatile, time decay or theta won't affect our premium. आपने नोटिस किया होगा, जाके बैक टेस्ट करना, रशिया यूक्रेन के वॉर के टाइम पे implied volatility was around 30 or more than 30. Now let's move to the sell option strategy. So this is payoff chart of sell option strategy. So this is normal volatility. So once we took the entry, so this is loss, no profit, no loss. So if market expire between range, then your probability of profit is very high. So now when we will deploy sell option strategy, whenever market is less volatile, so as soon as volatility starts falling, जैसे ही volatility गिरना चालू होता है, आपका ये strategy automatically deploy हो जाएगा. So this is the beauty of algo trading. So look at this payoff chart. So whenever volatility is normal, no profit, no loss. But look at this decrease in volatility. So once volatility decrease, your probability of profit is very, very high. So this is another beauty of implied volatility. Smart trader always focus on volatility. If you want to buy option or sell option, volatility is very, very important factor. So selling option strategy, margin requirement is little bit higher than a buy option strategy. So here capital requirement is approx 1.20 to 1.50 lakh. So now understand this strategy. So this strategy will deploy when market implied volatility decreasing. So जैसे ही market गिरना, volatility गिरना चालू हुआ, this strategy will deploy automatically. So this is again totally depend on Vega. So Vega गिर गया, आपका option premium गिरेगा, and probability of profit is very, very high. And anyway, as a intraday, we are selling the option. So theta is our friend. Time decay is our friend. So no need to worry about theta because we are focusing on Vega here. So this is how my strategy work in the market. It is totally depend on market condition. It is not depend on आपको मार्केट क्या लगता है, मार्केट बुलिश है, मार्केट बेरिश है, इसके ऊपर स्ट्रेटेजी ये डिपेंड नहीं है. इट इज टोटली डिपेंड ऑन मैथमेटिक्स. नाउ लेट मी शो यू one example of implied volatility versus option premium. So look at this chart. The blue color one is implied volatility and orange color is option premium. So again, this is not a call option premium or put option premium. It is combined premium. So whenever we say strategy, strategy means what? Combination of two or more trades or legs. So this is combined premium of call and put. Now focus here. This is point A. So from point A, implied volatility started increasing. As soon as implied volatility started increasing, look at the option premium. Premium also started increasing. So that is the beauty of mathematics. Here we are not adding any other logic. This is totally depend on mathematics. And look at this, implied volatility started decreasing. So option premium also decreasing. So let's say you are deploying this strategy in a day, let's say 9:30 to 2 p.m. Let's say market is high volatile. So in the morning at point A, buy option strategy will trigger automatically. And as soon as volatility started falling, this will exit, it will book the profit, and same time option selling strategy will deploy. And if volatility keeps falling, don't worry, probability of profit is very, very high in this strategy. So that is the advantage of volatility. Now question is, can we apply this strategy manually? No, you cannot deploy this strategy manually. If you are doing intraday trade, you need lots of attention. You have to sit in front of screen. You cannot move. You don't know when volatility is going to increase, when volatility is going to decrease. You don't know. Cannot deploy manually, but with help of algo, you can deploy. You don't have to do anything. AI, that is algorithm, will do all the trades for you. It will place all order automatically. It will exit also your order automatically. So no need to worry about entry, no need to worry about exit. Don't worry about profit and loss. Everything is already coded. And if you are doing intraday, biggest enemy is there, emotion. So why to add emotion again and again? Let the robot work for you. Let robot work for you as per market condition, not as per your condition. Always remember, अगर हम लोग कुछ भी कोडिंग देते हैं तो रोबोट अब उसी के हिसाब से काम करेगा. It will not, he will not use any other criteria. He will not use his brain. So whenever I was doing training, let's say I was teaching one strategy. For example, long triangle. So what happened? Student always use their brain and change the strategy. Exit early or exit after getting huge loss because they are using their brain. So that is another issue. Lots of student trying to experiment. Don't do that. Abhi experiment karna nahi. Let algo work for you. Algo will not do any kind of experiment. Algo don't have any kind of emotion. So it will work as per our condition. So that is beauty of algo trading. Okay. So now look at this. This is my strategy. So this is my strategy. You can check on after few minutes. Dhananjay will explain about this. But let me explain. So this is my Bank Nifty buy algo strategy, and this is Nifty sell strategy. Now, if you want to become a consistent profitable trader, you have to deploy both strategy same time, because sometime market is volatile, sometime market is less volatile. You don't know when market is going to volatile, so better deploy both. If market is volatile, this will give profit. If market is less volatile, this will give you profit. So at the end of day, you will get very good profit. Now you must thinking कि sir बैंक निफ्टी में buy क्यों, निफ्टी में sell क्यों? Okay, right? So now let me show you with help of NSE India. So this is NSE India. This is Nifty future. Okay, this is Nifty future. Let's check Nifty future daily volatility. So Nifty future daily volatility is 1.24%. Okay, it is in percentage. So Nifty daily volatility 1.24%. Now let's check Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty daily volatility is 1.70%. So which one is high volatile? So Nifty 1.24 and Bank Nifty 1.70. So can I say that Bank Nifty is high volatile than Nifty? So now you know that Nifty is less volatile. Bank Nifty is high volatile. So be smart and trade as per market condition. So look at this. This is Bank Nifty and this is Nifty. So if market is high volatile, then Bank Nifty will give us huge moment. So that's how we'll generate profit. And if market is less volatile, Nifty is already less volatile, so we will get profit in this side, right? So we have two type of market. One is high volatile, one is less volatile market. So Bank Nifty volatility is 1.70% and Nifty daily volatility is 1.24%. So it is all about mathematics. There is no gambling, there is no prediction. हम लोग यहाँ पे कुछ bet नहीं कर रहे, हम लोग just mathematics पे काम कर रहे हैं. So that's how strategy will deploy as per condition. So be smart and apply both strategy. If you check on the Algo Bulls platform, Bank Nifty hit ratio is 43%, Nifty hit ratio is 67%. Most of time market is less volatile. If you ask me, 60 to 70% market is less volatile and 40% market is high volatile. So right now we are in this market. We are in high volatile market. We are not in less volatile market because Russia-Ukraine war was there, election was there. So still we are in high volatile market. So once volatility will fall, then only we can expect less volatile market. So that's how you have to work with both strategy to get consistent result. So why option strategy? Because risk and reward is fixed. So no need to worry about stop loss, target, risk, manage properly, time decay also control, option Greek also control, and last 5-star point, option strategy are less risky than equities, future. They have the potential to deliver higher percentage of return. So that's why always work with option strategy. Okay, so if you are doing business, you cannot expect result in 1 day or 2 day or even 1 month. You cannot expect result in 1 month or 6 months. So if you want to work with strategy, apply at least for 6 months to 1 year and then see the result. This is called consistency. No result, keep working. Bad result, keep working. Great result, keep working. Consistency is the key. And you can check every day I share my algo profit and loss every day on Twitter. So if you want to, you can check on Twitter as well. I always share all the detail about algo trading. So that's it from my side. Dhananjay, are you there?
Yes, thank you very much, sir,
Yeah.
for shedding light on volatility. Like you said, I just want to mention one more point here. Okay, I just want to stress on that particular point which you said, sir. Consistency is the key over here. Okay, don't expect result in 1 day or 1 month. Okay, just continue for at least 6 months, like sir said. Okay, and then you will see considerable amount of returns. Okay, via algo as well. Thank you very much, sir. So I'll just share my screen now, and I'll just give you a quick demo how you can start with Algo Bulls, and I'll just focus on sir's strategy as well. Okay, so I'll just share my screen. Just hold on. So can you stop sharing your screen? Yes, just hold on. I hope my screen is visible to everyone, right? Okay. So this is Edelweiss white label. Okay, so if you are Edelweiss customer, okay, so go to edelweiss.algoboost.com. Okay, so we have a different white label for Edelweiss especially. Okay, for Edelweiss customers, okay, the service charges are free. Okay, free of cost. Okay, so there are three methods to be honest to log into AlgoBulls. Okay, if you have Edelweiss account, okay, click on sign in with Edelweiss. It will take you to Edelweiss page. Over here, you can sign in. Okay, then very next method is, you can log in with your mobile number. Okay, if you have your mobile number, then you can log in with it or enter your password. Okay, or you can log in with OTP as well. Okay, you can log in and you will receive an OTP. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's go click on here. Okay, so once you log in, okay, sorry. Okay. So once you log in, okay, the system will take you to dashboard. Okay, in the dashboard, it is a summary of your account. Okay, कि आपके पास कितने Algobulls wallet में है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ सर्विस आपको बैक टेस्टिंग करनी है, पेपर रीडिंग करनी है, रियल ट्रेडिंग के लिए कोई पैकेज एक्टिवेट करना है, तो वो यहाँ से होगा. प्लीज नोट, ध्यान रखिए कि जो भी ट्रेडिंग होगी वो एडलवाइज के अकाउंट में ही होगी. तो आपको ट्रेडिंग का फंड्स एडलवाइज के अकाउंट में ही रखना है, आपके डीमेट अकाउंट में ही रखना है. एल्गोबुल्स में ट्रेडिंग का फंड्स आपको नहीं रखना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपको सारी समरी दी जाएगी, लाइक ट्रेडिंग वॉल्यूम क्या है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस क्या है, या एल्गोबुल्स मनी आपने कितना यूसेज किया है. ओके, आप टुडे या वीकली, मंथली, ईयरली भी कर सकते हो, सॉर्ट कर सकते हो. आपको सारी डिटेल्स यहाँ पर आ जाएगी. ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू मार्केट प्लेस, जहां पर हमने मार्केट प्लेस को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है, रिटेल, प्रीमियम एंड HNI. ठीक है, रिटेल कंसिस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी कैश सेगमेंट, फ्यूचर सेगमेंट एंड MCX सेगमेंट स्ट्रेटजीज. ओके, ठीक है. प्रीमियम कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस, इंट्राडे इंडेक्स ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजी, प्रीमियम एंड HNI. ओके, यहाँ पर हमने आपको फिल्टर ऑप्शन दी है, जहां से आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट से स्ट्रेटजी को फिल्टर आउट कर सकते हो, सॉर्ट कर सकते हो, एंड ड्यूरेशन के हिसाब से भी आप स्ट्रेटजी को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. लाइक वैभव सर वाज टॉकिंग, तो ये है वैभव सर की स्ट्रेटजी. ओके, लेट्स फोकस ऑन दिस टुडे. ओके, जैसे कि यहाँ पर ये है स्ट्रेटजी DTA वैभव भाग्य. ओके, द स्ट्रेटजिस्ट का नाम है, ये वैभव सर का नाम है, वैभव सर की स्ट्रेटजी है ये, स्पेशली डिजाइन, बिकॉज इसमें इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस वैभव सर के है, जो एल्गो में हमने स्ट्रेटजी बनाई है आप लोगों के लिए. एंड यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि रिटर्न है 574.69%. ओके, कैपिटल रिक्वायर है 35,000, जो आपको एडलवाइस के डीमेट अकाउंट में रखना है. ठीक है, हिट रेशियो इज दिस, रिस्क इज 26% ओनली. ठीक है, लेट्स सी कि ये स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में और जानते हैं कि क्या इसकी बैक टेस्टिंग कैसे जान सकते हैं, ये परसेंट आपको ये आया है उसका क्या प्रूफ है. ठीक है, जैसे कि यहाँ पर बैक टेस्टिंग का ये स्ट्रेटजी का कोड है. ठीक है, मिनिमम कैपिटल स्ट्रेटजी का ये है 35,000 इन योर डीमेट अकाउंट फॉर अ लॉट. ओके, जैसे ही सर ने बोला रेकमेंडेड ड्यूरेशन इज 180 डेज. व्हाई? बिकॉज कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की. ओके, मार्केट, सर ने वो भी बोला कि मार्केट सेम नहीं रहना. Okay, it will go up, down, up, down, up, down. So just be patient enough, okay, to run this strategy for at least 180 days to get decent amount of returns. Okay, यहाँ पर रिस्क फैक्टर भी सर की स्ट्रेटजी में दिया है, जैसे पर लॉट पे रिस्क है 1,000 रुपीज और डिजायर प्रॉफिट है 5,000 रुपीज. ठीक है, आप ये सेट भी कर सकते हैं, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज आप ये चेंज भी कर सकते हो. ये डिटेल्स है स्ट्रेटजी की, पैरामीटर्स है, और ये डिटेल्स दी हुई है थियोरेटिकली. ठीक है, कि बाय ATM कॉल, बाय ATM पुट एज वेल. ओके, ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है. वेयर एज कमिंग बैक टू के ये 574.69% है, वो कैसे आया, कितने टाइम में आया, क्या ट्रेड्स हुए, वो आपको यहाँ पर बैक टेस्टिंग रिपोर्ट में दिखाई देगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पर समरी में दिया हुआ है कि सारी डिटेल्स दी हुई है कि ROA क्या है, ड्रॉडाउन क्या है, नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स, लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट, एवरेज प्रॉफिट क्या होगा. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप यहाँ पर रिटर्न्स में भी जाओ तो आपको रिटर्न्स दिया है कि ऑल टाइम रिटर्न्स क्या है 30 डेज, लास्ट 2 वीक. ऑल टाइम्स में 574 है, वो कितने ड्यूरेशन का है वो भी आपको बता देते हैं. यहाँ पर ट्रेड बुक्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर अगर आप ट्रेड बुक में देख पाओगे तो ट्रेड बुक में सारी चीज दी है कि कौन से स्ट्राइक पे कितने टाइम पे बाय हुआ था, एट व्हाट प्राइस, एंड सेल हुआ था एट व्हाट प्राइस. ठीक है, ये सारे कुछ दिए है. यहाँ पर इनसाइट्स भी दिए हैं, ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है जो हमने रिपोर्ट्स का है, जैसे कि PNL INR, PNL परसेंटेज, ROI कैसा था, स्टार्टिंग में 0, माइनस में गया, फिर ऊपर आया, एंड वाई. ठीक है, इक्विटी कर्व है. ठीक है, एंड ड्रॉडाउन है कि कहाँ पर ज्यादा ड्रॉडाउन गया था. अभी ड्रॉडाउन तो बहुत ही लेस है, जैसे कि दिख रहा है आपको. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से यू कैन सी check backtesting report and see details about that particular strategy. For example, अगर मुझे ये particular strategy start करनी है, execute करनी है, मुझे रियल ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट करना है इसमें, तो वो कैसे होगा? सिंपल स्टेप है, एग्जीक्यूट बटन पे क्लिक करिए. ठीक है, एंड देन वो स्ट्रेटेजी आपके पोर्टफोलियो रियल ट्रेडिंग में यहाँ पर आ जाएगी, जैसे कि ये स्ट्रेटेजी आ रही है. ठीक है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर से आपको ये स्टार्ट बटन दबाना है. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि मार्केट बंद है, इसके लिए स्टार्ट बटन नहीं है. ये एक नेचुरल कैसे स्ट्रेटेजी ऐड करके रखिए, जहां पर इस तरह से आपको स्टार्ट बटन दिखेगा. ठीक है, आप स्टार्ट बटन दबाइए, एंड देन यहाँ पर लॉग्स भी प्रोवाइड है, जहां से आप चेक कर सकते हो कि सिस्टम क्या कर रहा है. अगर कुछ एरर आ रही है, अगर आपका सिस्टम बंद हो रहा है, ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ पर से चेक भी कर सकते हो क्यों वो बंद हो रहा है. ठीक है, जैसे कि मैंने बोला वो रिस्क फैक्टर थे 1000 5000, वो आप यहाँ से चेंज भी कर सकते हो। फॉर एग्जांपल आपको रिस्क चाहिए 500 और 1500 या 2000 आपको चेंज करना है, चेंज कर सकते हो, बट रेकमेंडेड यही है कि पर लॉट पे आप इतना ही रखें। ठीक है, ये बैक टेस्टिंग और पेपर रीडिंग है। अगर आपको कोई स्ट्रेटेजी बैक टेस्टिंग करनी है या पेपर रीडिंग मोड में भी चलानी है तो आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट बटन कर सकते हो। बैक टेस्टिंग और पेपर रीडिंग में स्ट्रेटेजी ऐड करने के लिए आपको मैनेज स्ट्रेटेजीज में जाना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, मैनेज स्ट्रेटेजीज में हमने यहाँ पर टॉगल बटन दिए हैं। ठीक है, जैसे कि ये सर की स्ट्रेटेजी है, अगर मैंने ऐड टू बैक टेस्टिंग कर लिया है यहाँ पर, ठीक है, तो वो ऐड हो जाएगी, और ऐड टू पेपर ट्रेडिंग भी कर लिया तो वो पेपर ट्रेडिंग में भी ऐड हो जाएगी। सो लेट्स चेक करते हैं कि वो ऐड हुई है नहीं हुई। ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू बैक टेस्टिंग। सर की स्ट्रेटेजी यहाँ पर आ गई। ठीक है, पेपर रीडिंग में मोड में भी यहाँ पर आ गई है। ठीक है, लाइव रिपोर्ट्स में आप अपना पीएनएल देख सकते हो कि कौन से ट्रेड हुए, क्या प्रॉफिट हुआ है, क्या लॉस हुआ है, जैसे कि यहाँ पर सारे डिटेल्स आए। जैसे बैक टेस्टिंग में ट्रेड बुक में ट्रेड की सारी डिटेल्स मिलेगी, ऑर्डर आईडी है, और कैसे प्रॉफिट हुआ है, लॉस हुआ है, कितने प्राइस पे हुआ है, क्या क्वांटिटी पे हुआ है। अगर आपने कोई फंड्स ऐड कर रखे हैं एल्गोज वॉलेट में, यहाँ पर जैसे ऐड किए हैं मैंने 1000 रुपीज, वो उसमें क्या क्या किया है आपने, सर्विस चार्जेस लगा है, ट्रांजेक्शन चार्जेस लगा है, आपने मंथली पैकेज एक्टिवेट किया है, जैसे कि ये पैकेज एक्टिवेट किया है। ठीक है, वो भी कर सकते हो। एंड अगर आपको अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी खुद की बिल्ड करवानी है तो वी डू बिल्ड दैट एज वेल। ओके, हमारे वहाँ पर एल्गो बुल्स पे हम वो भी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं जहाँ पर आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी ऑटोमेट भी की जाती है। ठीक है, सेटिंग्स में जाके जनरल में आपके नॉर्मल डिटेल्स हैं, ब्रोकिंग अकाउंट में जाके यहाँ पर इफ यू कैन आइडल वाइज आप वो भी ऐड कर सकते हो, साइन इन करके वो बाइंड हो जाएगा, रिडायरेक्ट हो जाएगा। ठीक है, प्लान्स एंड वॉलेट में जाना है आपको, जैसे कि मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया कि एडलवाइज के लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है। ठीक है, सो यू कैन गो टू प्लान्स एंड वॉलेट। ठीक है, क्लिक ऑन फ्री। ओके, यहाँ पर है एक्सेस टू ऑल रिटेल प्लान। ठीक है, प्लान एक्टिवेट किए बिना आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं रन होगी, या तो फिर आपके वॉलेट में पैसे होने चाहिए या तो प्लान एक्टिवेट होना चाहिए। तो प्लान एक्टिवेट करने के लिए यहाँ पर 0.0 पे क्लिक करते हैं एंड पे पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको यहाँ पर सीधा प्लान एक्टिवेट हो गया। ठीक है, 1 मंथ। दिस इज हाउ यू एक्टिवेट योर प्लान एज वेल। रिसोर्स में हेल्प साइट दी है, सो हेल्प साइट पे भी हमारे वीडियोस है, काफी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन भी है, आप कर सकते हो। और नहीं तो हमारे सपोर्ट पे या सपोर्ट के ईमेल पे support@algobulls.com पे भी आप संपर्क कर सकते हो। ठीक है, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट एल्गो बुल्स। So now I believe we should be take question and answer if any.
The first question is from Mr. Hitin. He's asking about the value of volatility is to be considered high or low.
Okay, see now every day value is different, so that's why we have to work as per condition. It is very difficult to identify what is the value keeps changing, so that's why if volatility is increasing we have to deploy our buy strategy. If volatility is decreasing we have to deploy sell off strategy. So it depends on the condition.
So the next question is from Mr. Dinesh. What are the contact details of AlgoBulls to get more details?
Yes, I'll be giving you in the chat in a short period of time.
Okay. Okay, so meantime we are receiving few more queries. I would request Dhananjay and Vaibhav if you could just summarize the session for our clients.
Okay, yes, I will summarize. Just a minute.
Sure.
Yes, so basically just let me open India VIX. So this is India VIX. So this is kind of volatility of Nifty 50. So look at this, let me open monthly chart. So this is monthly chart of volatility. So when market become volatile, look at this. When coronavirus was started, that is March 2020. So that time market become volatile. After that, look at this, Russia-Ukraine war. Otherwise, there was no high volatile market. Now we are expecting after that, but now this month again market volatility started falling. So if it is heading towards 20 or below 20, we can expect less volatile market. So be ready for less volatile market as well. So I have two strategy. One is for high volatile market and one is for less volatile stock market. So I will recommend everyone to apply this strategy as soon as market volatility is falling below 20. This is the best strategy you can deploy. If you check, hit ratio is 67%. So it is totally depend on volatility. If volatility is falling, then only it will deploy. If market is high volatile, it will not deploy. So I have two strategy. One is buy option algo strategy. Buy means combination buying trade, and other is sell option strategy. So market is not same every day. Sometimes market goes up, sometimes market goes down. So work as per condition.
Thank you, Vaibhav, for your insights.
Yes.
So our next question is, one of our client is asking, we are deploying strategy, so one will be profit and other will be loss. So the client is simultaneously deploying the strategy and he's saying that delta is 0. How will we earn?
Hiten sir, very good question. Nice question. So right now, focus here, sir. Delta for both strike price is plus and minus, agree. But here we are not focusing on delta. We are focusing on implied volatility. So option premium is equal to intrinsic value plus extrinsic value. So in this extrinsic value, delta doesn't work. Here only theta and volatility work. So if volatility is increasing, remember vega is increasing, at that time, now whatever happen, your option premium will increase. So Hiten sir, if you observe from last 1 month, option premium is very high. Yes or no, Hiten sir? Have you noticed that from last month, option premium is very expensive? Why? Because of implied volatility. So that doesn't indicate delta anymore. If market is high volatile, your option premium is high. Yes.
So as of now, there are not many more questions because the next question which I was going to ask you, you have already covered it up in your explanation. So with this, we can end our webinar. Once again, thank you so much, Vaibhav and Dhananjay, for your insights. Any closing comments from your side?
Yes, I want to say something. So right now, there are lots of coaching classes, lots of institutions providing training. So I will suggest all of you, please work with risk management. Doesn't matter where you are doing training, do the proper training, but apply risk management. If you manage your risk, then only you will save your capital. Otherwise, it is very difficult for your future to survive in this kind of market. And work with full knowledge. Never ever trade with half knowledge or anyone advice. Yes, that's it from my side.
That was indeed a perfect advice which our clients would want, especially during the market scenario which is going on right now. And okay, before ending up, there is one more question. Any book that you would suggest for our clients?
Option 101 secret book, you can go refer. It is very good.
Okay. Once again, thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you, Dhananjay. Many of our clients are inquiring about webinar recording. So, dear clients, you can contact your respective relationship manager asking for the link, and the same will be shared with you on your registered email ID. If you have any more queries, you can email us at helpdesk@edelweiss.in and we will reply back to you. Thank you everyone for joining us today. We hope the webinar was insightful for you and we look forward to see your active participation in our upcoming webinars as well. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening.